Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video we will see how to add header and footer components in our React application. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. To begin with, open command prompt and go to React project path. Use npm commands to install few dependencies as shown in video. Font awesome. Bootstrap social. Now let's go to index.js and add imports for Font Awesome and Bootstrap Social. Add header component file under Components. Add header class with render method in it. Similarly, create a footer component as well, under Components, and add footer as functional component. Let's add some text in both to check in UI. Let's move the navbar code from main component to header component. We will add a jumbotron in header with the contents of navbar to make it more attractive. Also add some HTML in footer to display at bottom. We will add a list of menu. Some social buttons like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. And copyright under footer. Now add header and footer in the main component. Let's refresh and check the header and footer added to the application. Let's update some styling and refresh the browser to see the updated header and footer. So, we have successfully added header and footer components in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.